Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to print in Trello web application. So the first thing that we need you to do now is to open your Trello website and then just connect with your Google or uh, Apple or Facebook accounts. And if you don't have, you can just sign up with your email and create a new one, and then you will need just to follow these simple steps. So basically, after you succeed in connecting to your Trello workspace, you will need just to go to your boards. You click here on boards, then you will find the list of your boards. Otherwise, you can just go to your boards, here your boards section, and you will find the list of your boards. So basically I'm going to click on this one, and here is my board view. And basically to print this board or these lists, all I need to do is to click on this 3 points icon, and then I'm going to click again on this more option, and here I will find not copy board, but I will find print and export, and you click on it, and of course we will find the print option. So basically, after you click on it, here you will find the list of your boards in Trello. So basically, you have multiple settings that you can modify or customize, such as the printer. So you are going just to add your printer here, and then you can customize the printing of any list that you want. So basically, you can either have this list or I mean this page or any other page. You can have layouts, and if you want to have only one list per page, you can have it landscape, so it will be like that. As you can see, it will try to have each list in a page, and of course you will need just to have some paper size, or just customized paper size until it has the same size of your list if you want to print only one list. So basically, as I said, you can either have or modify the settings of your paper size, the pages per sheet, margins, scales, etc. And then all it remains to do is to click print, and you will start printing your board or this list of your board. So basically and simply, this is how you can print your lists in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.